So I did a video about how a judge granted us administrative closure versus termination, which is what we were seeking, and I got this question: what's bad about admin closed order? Well, in administrative closure, your case is technically still open. It's just not on the active docket. In other words, you're still technically in removal proceedings. You need to terminate your removal proceedings prior to leaving the country, or else you essentially are self-deporting. You are leaving the country for your consular interview while in proceedings. You could get a 5 or a 10-year bar, and it will nullify the effects of your 601A waiver. Now, in the case that I was talking about, she didn't need a waiver, but nonetheless, if she were to leave the country for her consular interview without terminating proceedings, then she left the country while in removal proceedings. She would have self-deported. So before leaving for your consular interview, you need to terminate your proceedings. Now, this is a little bit complicated because a lot of people seek admin closure to pursue an I-601A waiver. That is the right path. Like, you have an I-130 approved, then you say, hey, judge, I'm going to be pursuing this I-601A waiver. Please administratively close my case. And then once the waiver is approved, I will come back and ask you to just terminate it completely so that I can travel abroad. But administratively closed cases, regardless of what steps you're taking, whether it's consular processing or just, whatever it is that you're pursuing, are technically still open. They just are not active. And I think a lot of people get confused because the word closed is in it, right? Administratively closed. And you're like, well, what do you mean they're still active? I thought they were closed. No, they're still open cases. I'm sorry, what do you mean they're still open? They're still open cases, they're just not active. Imagine them, they're in a pile. They're in like the prosecutor's pile of cases that they're not going to pursue at this time, but they haven't dismissed them completely. So there is a big difference between administrative closure and termination.